Hello, my name is Adrian, and today I will be demonstrating how to use active teaching of classroom rules, the behavioral intervention. The research base for this intervention comes from Joseph's 1996 article, demonstrating the experimenting society model with class-wide behavior management interventions. For this intervention, you will want to create a list of classroom rules before beginning the intervention and ask yourself, are these rules and procedures clear and developmentally appropriate? So you'll want to tailor this to each level of grade that you're teaching. Once you've created the classroom rules, create a display chart of the rules for your room. Here's a sample chart. You're going to want to display this chart in the room and also provide each student with a copy of the rules. The rules list that I've had, for example, are come to class prepared with materials and a positive attitude, pay attention and don't talk while the teacher is talking, 3. Respect the teacher, classmates, and school property, 4. Stay on task and do your work. Do not disturb others who are working. And 5. Listen carefully and raise your hand. And lastly, work and play safely. During instruction time, discuss the rules, emphasizing the purpose and importance of each rule. So, for example, for Rule 1, come to class prepared and materials with a positive attitude, you could say, being prepared means you have a paper and pencil ready, and your book is on your desk, open to the correct page when the bell rings. You will also want to provide specific examples for each rule and encourage students to share one of their own examples. So, for example, with Rule 1, Joseph was sitting at his desk with his book open and was ready to begin his assignment when the bell rang. I appreciate that he was remembering to follow our rules. That's an example of how you could show Rule 1. Do you have an example for any of the rules that you would like to share?
I have one for Rule 3.
Okay.
Oh, wait, 2.
Okay, that's fine.
When the teacher is talking, you should not talk over her or talk to anybody else.
That's great. Great example. So you'll want to explain to the students that you will be observing them to identify individuals who are following the rules. Identify students who are observing the rules and provide immediate and specific positive feedback. So for example, in this situation, I could say, I'm so excited that Kyle's on time and prepared for class today. So that's an example of how I could show that he applied to Rule 1, come to class prepared with materials and a positive attitude. For this intervention to be successful, clearly define the set of rules displayed in the classroom. Discuss the rules with the students, emphasizing the purpose and importance of each rule. Provide specific examples of each rule, and also observe the students providing immediate and specific positive feedback. This will help you have the most effective active teaching classroom rules intervention. Thank you.